You've been dragging my name around town like you got something to prove. We both know these games you're playing are something that you always lose. My mama told me it's just free publicity. Keep talking that talk and walking that walk, and maybe one day you'll see that girl in the mirror looking back at you is your own worst enemy. So don't blame me for trying. I know deep down you're crying, 'cause misery loves company. That's how it's always been. So don't even think you can fool me with the lies that you're selling. Just because we have different views on the way things ought to be, I can't see you win for losing with you, so I'm just gonna be me. 'Cause misery loves company. Red high heels and social skills, I can see right through it all. Talking down on every girl in town just to make yourself feel tall. Let's help one another instead of hating each other. 'Cause misery loves company. That's how it's always been. So don't even think you can fool me with the lies that you're selling. Just because we have different views on the way things ought to be, I can't see you win for losing with you, so I'm just gonna be me. 'Cause misery loves company. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but girl, your words will hurt you most. Just because we have different views on the way things ought to be, I can't see you win for losing with you, so I'm just gonna be me. 'Cause misery loves company. I said misery loves company. Should I stay or should I go? I wanna make it on my own. The neon lights in a bar full of smoke, 24 hours till the next show. So please tell me that you understand, and that you see it's all part of a bigger plan. Set me free, I wanna be where the spotlight shines on me. Can't you see 6 strings and a melody is all I need? Wanna hear that crowd so loud screaming out my name, so I can't stay. I can't stay. Don't make me stay. I can't stay. The endless road that I roam, it always goes, never takes me home. So far away, you'll feel for my soul. I'll show you my love by a song I wrote. So don't you say I never warned you about the price you pay. Being alone is just the price that and I don't mind leaving you behind. I know you hate my traveling ways. You're a simple man, it's not a